what would you say to the kid you were? What advice would you give to the person you'll become in 10 years? Time has always fascinated me. Hourglasses are the most captivating time-keeping devices. They give me the impression of capturing time. I have always had a fondness for superheroes. As a child, I dreamt of possessing extraordinary powers or being a character in a comic book or film. One thing is certain, if I had a superpower, I would have desired it to be associated with the concept of time. I am unsure whether I would prefer to journey back to the past, to rectify mistakes, reunite with loved ones, or make different decisions. Ultimately, I believe I would most want the power to halt time, to remind myself that happiness resides in the present, and to continue living, creating memorable experiences for myself and others. Regrettably, while we can hasten our pace and save time, no one can truly set aside or escape the passage of time. Furthermore, time spares no one. Each moment is symbolized by a grain of sand. And no one knows when the last grain will fall.